WhatsApp 93 Mike Victor, contact Guarulhos Tower 132.75, bye bye.
132.75, WhatsApp 93 Mike Victor, goodbye, thank you for your service. Where is golf? This one. Yeah. It says here. Golf. There it is. Okay. Alright. Guarulhos Tower, was it? Mike Victor holding short runway 09 left.
93, Mike Victor, clear takeoff runway 9 left, wind 130 degrees 4 knots, Kennedy 1021.
Winds copied, clear for takeoff, runway 09 left, budget 93 Mike Victor.
Torre Guarulhos, Gol 196 na final da 09 direita, pronto para baixar e travar, já estabilizado no ILS 196.
Boa noite, senhor. Pouso autorizado 9 direita, vento 130 graus, 4 nós, altímetro 1021, bom pouso.
1021 no altímetro, pouso liberado 196.
Start the clock and initialize flight. Good job. Alright folks, here we are. Stabilized, toga.
O Gol 1196, bem-vindo a São Paulo, Guarulhos, livre à esquerda, Charlie Charlie. Autorizado cruzamento 9 esquerda, após cruzamento, solo 217, boa noite.
Autorizado cruzamento da cidade da esquerda e após isso o solo no 217. Grato pelo controle, parabéns pelo evento, 196.
Obrigado. 93 Mike Victor, now contact São Paulo Control 13490. Have a nice flight.
13490. Project Manager Mike Victor, thank you, bye bye. Alright, go. Sao Paulo, departure WestJet 93 Mike Victor with you 3800, climbing proceed.
Whiskey Juliet Alpha 93 Mike Victor, good evening, Sao Paulo approach, radar contact on departure, climb via Turtle 3 Bravo, departure to flight level 290 and report established.
1000.
WestJet 93 Mike Victor via Turtle 2 Bravo, departure will report when established.